आज मार्केट ने एकदम बड़ा गैप डाउन दिया, ऑलमोस्ट 1% गैप डाउन ओपनिंग। और ऐसे दिनों में सबसे बड़ी गलती ये होती है कि आप बिना सोचे सीधे ट्रेड में कूद जाओ। आज मैंने वो गलती नहीं की। 3 ट्रेड्स, डिसिप्लिन्ड एग्जिट्स और एक प्रॉफिटेबल डे। लेट्स ब्रेक इट ऑल डाउन। Today is Monday 11th of May 2026, Nifty non-expiry session. And from the very opening, it was clear that market was going to be very tricky. Nifty opened with almost 1% gap down. अब ऐसे गैप डाउन ओपनिंग में दो चीज़ें हो सकती है, या तो मार्केट और नीचे जाती है या गैप फिल होता है और मार्केट वापस ऊपर आ जाती है। तो इनिशियली मेरा बायस बेरिश था, बट एट द सेम टाइम आई वॉज ऑल्सो एक्सपेक्टिंग सम अमाउंट ऑफ गैप फिलिंग माइट हैपन। इस कन्फ्यूजन की वजह से मैंने डिसाइड किया, पहले कंफर्मेशन देखो तब ट्रेड लो, नो जंपिंग इन एट द ओपन। फॉर माई फर्स्ट ट्रेड आई टुक एंट्री इन 24,000 CE. द रीजन, a rejection candle was forming near S4. S4 is a strong support level. और जब प्राइस यहाँ से रिजेक्ट होती है तो ये सिग्नल होता है कि सेलर्स अभी भी एक्टिव है। SL was 10 points and target initially I kept as 30 points. But I also had a plan. Previous week low was nearby और ये एक बहुत strong support zone होता है। So the plan was, अगर निफ्टी प्रीवियस वीक लो के पास कंसोलिडेट करने लगे तो मैं पहले ही एग्जिट कर लूँगी। Trade went well, market continued falling, and as Nifty approached previous week low, I saw consolidation started to happen. That was my cue. मैंने manually exit की और 2500 profit book किया. Now, was that a perfect exit? Honestly, no. Because after a small pullback, Nifty made a lower high, broke previous week low, and eventually my original 30-point target also got hit. तो technically और profit हो सकता था, but do I regret it? Not really. Market had already fallen so much by then, and continued fall without any pullback was not something I was expecting. Given the context, exiting near previous week low was a reasonable decision. Sometimes a good enough exit is better than holding for perfection. For my second trade, I entered in 23,900 CE. The logic, previous week low was now broken at that point and a rejection candle was forming right below it. When a key level like previous week low holds as resistance, मतलब support जो था वो resistance बन गया, it often signals another leg down. So I entered with SL above candle high and a target of 30 points. But here's where it gets interesting. My own analysis from earlier in the day was that a big continued fall was unlikely. और वही हुआ, market started reversing. So I manually exited the trade with a profit of 600. Do I regret this? No, because here I entered as per the setup, the candle looked right, but my broader logic was telling me the downside was limited. When your setup and your logic are conflicting, it's okay to exit and protect what you have. Setup सही था but overall market context नहीं था. 600 profit, small but clean. For my third trade, I entered in 23,950 CE. I'll be upfront about this. This trade was more of a hunch. Nifty had been consolidating for a long time, unable to break decisively in either direction. I saw a rejection candle forming near S4 and 20 EMA and took a call side trade. SL 10 points, target 30 points. But the honest truth is, in a highly volatile range-bound market, this entry didn't have the strongest logic behind it. The next candle showed a breakdown attempt, but it pulled back sharply, forming a big lower wick candle. That lower wick was a clear signal, ब्रेकडाउन फेल हो रहा है, बायर्स वापस आ रहे हैं। मैंने इमीडिएटली मैनुअली एग्जिट की और स्मॉल प्रॉफिट ऑफ 400 बुक कर लिया, नियर कॉस्ट बट स्टिल ग्रीन, एंड दैट डिसीजन टर्न्ड आउट टू बी राइट, बिकॉज आफ्टर दैट निफ्टी शार्पली मूव्ड टू द अपसाइड, बिग ग्रीन कैंडल्स, बिग रेड कैंडल्स, मार्केट बिकेम एक्सट्रीमली वोलेटाइल। अगर मैं उस ट्रेड में होती, इट कुड हैव easily gone against me. Recognizing a breakdown failure and getting out quickly, that was the right call here. 3 trades done for the day. Max trade rule followed, stopped after third trade. Especially important on a day like today, because after my exits, market became very volatile with huge swings in both direction. Trading in that environment without a clear setup would have been gambling, not trading. Overall 3,500 profit on the day. तो आज का दिन overall अच्छा रहा, but more than the profit, what I am happy about is the decision making today. पहला lesson, big gap downs demand patience. Almost 1% gap down और मैंने सीधे ट्रेड नहीं दिए. Waited for confirmation, waited for a proper setup, and that patience is what set the tone for the day. दूसरा lesson, context matters as much as setup. Trade 2 में setup देख के entry ली, but my own broader analysis was saying downside is limited. When setup and context conflict, it's okay to take the conservative exit. तीसरा लेसन, recognize when a move is failing. थर्ड ट्रेड में ब्रेकडाउन फेल होता देखा, लोअर विक कैंडल बनी और मैंने तुरंत एग्जिट ली. In the volatile market, being quick to recognize failure is just as important as being quick to enter. Were all my exits perfect? No. Trade 1 में और प्रॉफिट मिल सकते थे, but overall, today was about reading the market in a difficult environment and not letting greed or fear drive decisions. और उस हिसाब से आज का दिन एक स्टेप फॉरवर्ड था. आज जैसी वोलेटाइल डेज में आप क्या करते हैं? क्या आप गैप डाउन में सीधे एंट्री लेते हैं या कंफर्मेशन का वेट करते हैं? Do let me know in the comment section. Would love to know your approach. Because at the end of the day, this channel is all about learning and improving together. अगर इस वीडियो से कुछ वैल्यू मिली, feel free to like the video. और अगर आपको ये रियल ट्रेड ब्रेकडाउन्स पसंद आते हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. Let's improve our trading one step at a time. Thank you and have a great day.